Hey guys, this is Joe from Gio.Q. Today I have a special visitor, Roman. He did help me open up the blind bags. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we got first one. These are ages for 5 and up. So let's see what's cool.
Can I help?
Okay, so let's open it. Are you sure I need some scissors? Hold on. Okay, let's open it up and see what we get.
I am excited.
Look, we got some
stickers. We got stickers.
We got the ham, the flyer. Oh, I know different. It's the blue guy. It's the blues.
He's like, this is the
open
guy.
this up. Okay, look.
Okay.
Hey, look.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I really am happy. No, really, it's open. Jill, it's open.
How? Okay.
It's already open.
Oh yeah.
See? It's already open. You didn't need the scissors, but I do now. Okay, got blues.
Okay.
Oh, what is this part?
Oh,
Oh, it's black. But what is the thing for? Oh, those are for the stickers, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so let's open this flyer up and see what we're doing.
I don't even know what this is.
Here's the one we get. Here. Okay, so here's the one I got.
We get the pigwoods. We got the some of them go with ham and turkey and stuff, and some of them just come with stickers.
Okay, here goes the second one. So we have a duplicate, so we'll put that off to the side and let's get on to the next one. Oh, the bag will open for the thing. I got someone new this time!
Redbird?
Redbird! He also has a ham.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Redbird and ham.
Okay, I need some scissors.
Okay. Redbird and ham.
And have in his blind bag.
Okay. This came with an egg.
Okay. Okay.
All found ham. Okay, they all found
we're
ham.
gonna be late for the competition.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let's eat our candle.
You can eat it when we get there. We can eat it. You guys can eat it when we get there.
Okay, let me scare some. Redbird will carry you. Man, we're heavy, aren't we? Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I got 3 bluebirds, 1 redbird, 1 pig
With an egg.
With an egg. See, we just put it right there. I wanted to. Okay, so 4 hams for the bluebird. Well, there's 3 bluebirds. Well,
and
I
one
don't know
for the
where that
redbird.
came from. Okay, so.
And we also got stickers.
Okay, so
for all of the things.
here what you can get in the egg. This is how you build it.
But we got Valentine stickers.
Yeah, they're Valentine. So that's all for today. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, share. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you later.